Nestled in the heart of Mexico, Puebla is a city that seamlessly weaves together rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture. Founded in 1531, Puebla quickly grew into a vital hub during colonial times, thanks to its strategic location along vital trade routes. Today, it remains a testament to the enduring legacy of its past, offering visitors a captivating glimpse into both its ancient roots and modern vibrancy. The city's historic center, designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and impressive colonial buildings. Among its most iconic landmarks is the Puebla Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece blending Baroque and neoclassical styles. Its towering spires dominate the skyline, drawing visitors into its ornate interior adorned with exquisite artworks and intricate woodwork. Nearby, the Capilla del Rosario, a jewel of Mexican Baroque architecture, dazzles with its gilded altarpieces and detailed stuccos, embodying the city's artistic excellence. Puebla is renowned for its culinary traditions, which reflect a blend of indigenous and Spanish influences. The city is the birthplace of mole poblano, a complex sauce combining chili peppers, chocolate, spices, and herbs, often served over turkey or chicken. Tlayudas, large crispy tortillas topped with beans, cheese, and meats, showcase the region's rich agricultural bounty. Street vendors and traditional markets like Mercado El Carmen provide a sensory overload of aromas, flavors, and colors, immersing visitors in authentic local life. Cultural festivals are a vital part of Puebla's identity. The Cinco de Mayo celebration, commemorating the Battle of Puebla in 1862, is a grand event featuring parades, reenactments, and fireworks, symbolizing Mexican resilience and patriotism. Throughout the year, numerous religious festivities, such as the Feast of Our Lady of Guadalupe, showcase elaborate processions, traditional music, and dance, reflecting deep-rooted spiritual traditions. Beyond its historic core, Puebla boasts vibrant neighborhoods filled with artisan workshops and lively plazas. The artistically inclined can explore the Museo Amparo, which houses a diverse collection of pre-Hispanic, colonial, and contemporary artworks. For those interested in history, the Africam Safari offers an immersive experience into wildlife conservation, while the nearby Puebla Cathedral's bell tower provides panoramic city views perfect for photography enthusiasts. The surrounding region is equally captivating. The Popocatépetl and his Taxihuatl volcanoes create a stunning natural backdrop, inspiring legends and offering opportunities for hiking and outdoor adventures. The nearby Talavera pottery workshops preserve an ancient ceramic tradition, producing intricately decorated blue and white ceramics that are highly sought after worldwide. Modern Puebla balances tradition with innovation. Its thriving industrial sector, particularly in automotive manufacturing and textiles, contributes significantly to Mexico's economy. The city also fosters a lively student population, with universities like the Benemérita Universidad Autónoma de Puebla promoting research, arts, and cultural exchange. This youthful energy breathes life into the city's cafes, music venues, and nightlife, making Puebla a dynamic place where history and contemporary culture coexist harmoniously. Religious architecture plays a prominent role in the city's landscape. In addition to the cathedral, churches like Santo Domingo and La Compañía de Jesús feature stunning Baroque designs and serve as centers of spiritual life. The intricate altars, frescoes, and religious artifacts reflect centuries of devotion and artistic craftsmanship, offering insight into Puebla's spiritual heritage. The city's commitment to preserving its historical sites is evident in ongoing restoration projects and cultural initiatives. Museums, galleries, and cultural centers actively promote local artisanship and storytelling, ensuring that Puebla's unique identity endures for future generations. Street art and murals across the city further showcase contemporary expressions, blending urban creativity with traditional themes. The local economy's diversity is complemented by a vibrant textile industry. Puebla's artisans produce high-quality garments, embroidered textiles, and traditional costumes, often reflecting indigenous motifs. Markets like Mercado de Sabores highlight regional specialties, from cheeses to traditional sweets, adding to the city's culinary and artisanal richness. Puebla's educational institutions attract students from across Mexico and beyond, fostering a cosmopolitan atmosphere. Universities host conferences, cultural festivals, and academic exchanges, enriching the city's intellectual landscape. This academic vibrancy complements Puebla's role as a regional center for arts, sciences, and commerce. Environmental initiatives are increasingly prominent in Puebla's urban planning. Green spaces like Parque Ecológico and botanical gardens provide residents and visitors with places for relaxation and recreation. Sustainable transportation efforts, including bike lanes and eco-friendly public transit, demonstrate the city's commitment to ecological preservation amid urban growth. Transportation infrastructure connects Puebla seamlessly with other major Mexican cities. The city's bus terminals and proximity to highways facilitate travel to Mexico City, Veracruz, and Oaxaca. The nearby Hermanos Cerdán International Airport offers domestic and limited international flights, making Puebla accessible for travelers eager to explore its treasures. The city also serves as a gateway to indigenous cultures of the region. Nearby towns and communities preserve traditions of crafts, dance, and storytelling, offering authentic experiences for cultural enthusiasts. These interactions deepen visitors' understanding of Puebla's diverse heritage and the indigenous peoples who have shaped its identity.